Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn about Shopify Polaris page component. So let's get started. Create a new file in route folder app.page.jsx and link this in the app.jsx. So name it page example and URL will be app/page. In the app.page.jsx, we'll write the function export default function page and return page component, which we are going to import from Shopify Polaris. Import page from Shopify Polaris. Also, we need a card here. So legacy card from Shopify Polaris and title of this card would be credit card, and that will be sectioned. And here we will have a paragraph credit card information. Okay, so this is just for demo purpose. You are not going to use legacy card. So save this and go to our application. Okay, the symbol page has already been declared. Okay, so we will name it page example. Save that. And now if you go to your app, and reload your app, then click on the page example, and now you can see we have credit card information and the legacy card over here. So now let's explore the page component props. Hit enter and let's type title of the page. If you need a title, then you can type the title. So 3/4 leather pet collar. Save this and now you see we have a title of the page. Let me just put this side by side so you can easily see whenever we type. Next, we are going to add the title metadata. So title meta, and here we will have a badge which we will export from Shopify Polaris, and tone tone would be success, and inside badge we will type paid. Save that, and now you see we have a paid badge over here. Next, if we need a subtitle, we can add subtitle, and you can type anything, perfect or any pet. And now you see we have a subtitle of the page. Okay, we can compact the title, and next we need a primary action, we need a button over here. So for that we will type primary action, and inside primary action we will have object content, and content would be save, and disabled would be true. And now we have a save button over here. Next we are going to add some secondary actions. So I will type secondary actions. Secondary actions, inside object we will have array, and inside array we will have an object for each button. So similarly we will have content duplicate, and then accessibility labels would be secondary action label, and on action we will simply run this function alert duplicate action. Save that. Now you have a duplicate button, and if you click that you will have a pop-up duplicate action. Okay, now let's create another button, and content would be view on your store, and action on action we will run this function, callback function, alert view on store action. Save that. Now we have a view on store, on your store, and if you click that you will have another pop-up. Next we are going to add a action group. So after this we'll type action group. Inside action group we will have array, and inside array we are going to have object. Inside object we will have title, promote, and actions. Inside action array we will have content, object, and then content, share on Facebook, accessibility, label, individual, action label, and then on action we will run the callback function, alert, share on Facebook, action, save that, and now you see we have a promote button, and if you click that we have a share on Facebook button, and if you click this you will trigger the action which we described over here. Okay, next, if you like to add the pagination, or you can add the pagination after this, you can type pagination and has previous, okay, has previous true, and then has next true. Save that, and now you see we have a pagination over here. So I think this is enough for this video. We will continue exploring the page component in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.